Hey guys! In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how I made these lovely coneflowers. They come in a variety of colors, but I chose to make some red ones since I had some red paper strips that I was looking forward to using. So without any further ado, let's get started. I used 1mm paper strips to make the petals, but I think you can also use 2mm paper strips if that's easier for you. Also, you can find a list of the materials I used in the description box below. Here I'm adding glue to the back side of the petal, and right after I do that I let the glue sit for a few good seconds, and then I start pressing the petal between my fingers and shaping it. For the stem of the flowers, I used wire and floral tape. If you're interested in how I put them together, there's a video I made some time ago specifically on this topic. You can find the link to it in the description box below. The same goes for the leaves. If you want to know how exactly I make the paper for them, you can watch a more in-depth video that I linked in the description box below. Here you can see that I painted the stems with olive green using some acrylic paint. When I glue the petals to the flower, each time I add glue, I let it sit for a few seconds so that it won't be as runny, and then I stick the petal to the flower. This makes it adhere better and not fall off right after I placed it on the flower. So here is the finished look. I didn't glue petals all around the flower because it's easier to glue the flower on a canvas when it's only half made. Making these cone flowers actually gave me the desire to maybe plant some in my yard soon, so that's something exciting that I'm looking forward to. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you some inspiration for flowers that you can make in preparation for summer. Have a wonderful day and see you next time!